Hello, I'm Snigdha Deepala. I'm a graduate of computer science engineering from Geetham University, but I graduated in 21.
Mm.
And I currently work at Dell Technologies as associate sales engineer analyst.
Cool.
Hello, Akshay.
Cool. So, Stingda, how did you get into the Dell company? That is the main intention of today's video. So, just give a small insight to our audience. Like, how did you get into the Dell and what was the source you referred to get into the company? What did
Okay, so for Dell, actually, the email was sent by our placement department itself.
you?
But I think a lot of people missed the mail because it literally just had one link.
Acha, okay.
So I opened it and I showed it to my friend as well. And only two of us applied as far as I know.
Mhm.
And we got through actually, both of us. But she didn't take the job and I did.
Alright.
So it was pretty straightforward. It was from placement department, but it was not campus placement. They just sent the link.
Okay. All right. So, when compared to other companies' hiring procedure, like how is it Dell's hiring procedure? Is it same or is it different? Like, how was it?
So I'd say for Dell, it was a little different because with other hiring procedures, they take you first through the technical round and then maybe the HR round, right?
Okay.
And yeah, but here it was not like that.
Mhm.
So first there was something called an elevator pitch round.
Okay.
So there they would essentially just check your speaking skills.
Mhm.
So they'd give you a topic and you'd have to talk about it for about a minute. And that's just the initial screening.
Mhm.
After that, if you get through, then you'd have the technical round.
Okay.
Yeah, but I didn't have any HR round after that, but a couple of people did. So yeah, maybe it works like that.
Okay, so as you mentioned, first round will be, our main focus is given on your communication, I guess, correct?
Yes, yeah.
So how was it? Like they will be sharing a screen and you have to speak according to that. Like, how was it actually?
No, no. So it's a bunch of people in a Zoom meeting, and it depends on the interviewer actually. They could give you a topic or they can ask you to speak about something, but you should just be able to speak for a minute or so without any gap. So they're just trying to see how your speaking skills are. That's it.
And then, like, speaking overview of your point, like a random topic will be given from the panelist and you
Yeah,
have to speak according to that.
yeah.
Chalo then. So how many members were there in the Zoom call? Any ideas, neither?
Oh, there were a lot of people. It was like around 100 or more, I guess.
Okay, like how was the initiative was taken? Like a randomly a person will speak or the name will be called?
No, no, no. There is I think they have a list if I'm not wrong. It's 2 years ago. I don't really remember well, but yeah. So I think they give you the order and then you have to go when your turn comes.
Chalo then. Do you remember the topics? Saying is it current affairs or like how was it?
Not really, but yeah, I think it was everything. So for me, I was asked to speak about anything. So I was really interested in rainwater harvesting at the time, so I spoke about that.
Okay.
But a few people spoke about their final year project. Some people were asked to speak about women empowerment. And,
Okay.
yeah, it depends.
Chalo then. So what was the time taken to get the first round result? Do you remember? Long back.
I don't really remember, but it was not very immediate actually. All the results for Dell were not, it took some time. So I think the first round results came after a week.
Acha.
And yeah, technical round, I think it took a lot of time, like 20 days or maybe even a month if I'm not wrong.
So what was the mode of update, Snigdha? Is it through the telephonic call? Is it through the mail ID?
No, yeah, we got an email asking us to join the second round.
Chalo then. So as you mentioned, the next will be the technical round, correct?
Yeah.
So how was your technical round experience?
That was actually very interesting because for the technical round, when they send you the mail,
Mhm.
they'll send you a use case. So you will have to solve, and they don't send it to you the previous day.
Okay.
So in the morning by around 9 o'clock, they send you, I think, the mail.
Mhm.
And within 1 or 2 hours, you're supposed to solve it and upload it in some link that they give.
Okay.
Yeah.
So,
So once that is done, yeah, your interview is done.
so it's like a use case will be sent to your mail ID, and you have
Yeah.
to download the use case, and you have to write the code for that use case.
Yeah, this is not coding at all. Like this entire job is not even related to coding.
Okay.
So this is more about so the sector we are working in right now in Dell is about we deal with the storage portfolio of Dell.
Okay.
So you have to deal with the storage products, networking. So the compute storage and network is what we handle.
Okay.
So the use case would be related to that because they know that people are new to this. So they'll give you a lot of information.
Okay.
Based on that information, based on the question, what is the solution that you design is what they're trying to see. That's it.
So then, so were there any deadline, Snigdha, given to you?
Yeah. So I think we had only a few hours to solve the use case and upload it.
Okay.
Once that is done, yeah, your interview would be anytime during the day. And I think they'd call you or email you for that. And you have to join the call and take the interview.
Chalo then. So again, putting spotlight on the use case. So, if possible, could you just break down into small pieces and give a proper explanation, like how was it? Do you remember?
Yeah, no, I'm not sure if I can disclose a lot, but the use case is essentially, yeah, just like they'll give you information on what the storage products are like, what
Okay.
is the networking capabilities, so the use case would be like a company is looking for certain requirements, and this is what you have at Dell. How are you going to solve the problem? It's
Chalo then. So this was all about the use case. And I hope that all the instructions will be mentioned in the email and we have to follow.
yes, everything will be mentioned. Yeah.
And if a person, unfortunately, if a person, he or she, unable to get the use case, is there any, what we say, mentor kind of thing? Anything like
Nothing like that actually. I think you can just email them back and ask. There's usually one point of contact, so if they respond very quickly, so I think they should be able to help in that case.
So Spock details will be given on the mail ID, correct?
Yeah, yeah,
Chalo then. So once you get shortlisted regarding this use case, so what will be the next procedure?
yeah.
Can you talk on that?
So the next process is the interview, which is in which you'll have to defend your solution.
Okay.
So it's like you're creating a presentation deck, right, as a use case. So you have to present that solution and defend it to them. And the interview was, I think, scheduled for about half an hour or so, but mine went very long. It was like 1.5 hours.
Okay.
They kept asking me a lot of questions, and they just want to see how you're able to handle objections. So a lot of it, they also understand that students coming from computer science and all won't know a lot about hardware details of storage products, but they want to see how you're willing to understand and answer the questions. That's it. And they'll say a lot of, like, it's almost like a stress interview at one point. So they'll try to put you down. They'll tell you that your solution is wrong, even though it's correct, and you have to defend it with a logical explanation.
So then, so technical round will be all about whatever the use case you have uploaded. So all the questions will be based upon that, correct?
Yes.